All right. I am a certified peer educator in the Academic Support Center, and today I am presenting with you how to create an effective weekly study schedule, organizing your time to maximize your learning success, as I said, brought to you by the Academic Support Center. Introduction to weekly study scheduling. Why a weekly study schedule matters. Workload management. A weekly study schedule helps students manage academic workloads and reduce stress effectively. It improves your academic performance. How? Structured planning enables better focus, consistency, and results in improved grades. Promotes balance and flexibility. Schedules ensure time for rest, extracurriculars, and allow flexibility for unexpected events. Enhanced accountability. Planning ahead encourages consistency and accountability in mastering complex subjects. Steps to building a weekly study schedule. Assessing your commitments and priorities. List all commitments. Begin by listing all your classes, assignments, exams, work shifts, and personal obligations to see your full schedule. Prioritize using the frameworks. Use tools like Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize urgent and important tasks over less critical ones. Schedule around energy levels. Plan demanding tasks during peak focus periods like mornings to maximize productivity and focus. Use digital tools. Leverage digital calendars and reminders to visualize your weekly and stay on track. Time blocking and structuring your week. Day, Monday, what time of the day? Morning. Okay, 9 to 11 a.m. Study 1 to 3 p.m. and assignments 6 to 8 p.m. So kind of having different time blocks for things that you may do at different times. On Tuesday, you may review notes at 9 to 10 a.m. You might go to lab from 2 to 4 and read from 7 to 8. As Wednesday, lecture from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Studying group from 3 to 5 p.m. and practice problems from 6 to 7 p.m. Kind of having time in between as well can give you time to maybe recoup. Maybe if you want to even take a mini nap in between that time or even grab a snack or a bite to eat. You kind of have everything planned out so you can be more effective and efficient. Tips for maintaining your schedule. Staying consistent and adapting. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable goals and avoid overloading your schedule for better consistency. Use reminders and reviews. Use alarms and weekly reviews to stay on track and adjust your schedule effectively. Maintain flexibility. Adapt your schedule to unexpected events by rescheduling tasks to maintain momentum. Accountability and rewards. Share plans with others and reward yourself to reinforce positive study habits. One more information, visit us in the ASC in McAfee, room 1611, and our website code by scanning this QR. I am Josiah again, and this is the Academic Support Center. I hope that you were able to get something out of this presentation. And if you have any more questions or tips, just come on down and we'll try to give you the most of the information that we have, and as well as kind of hold you accountable with whatever it may be. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I thank you for tuning in to this workshop.